between angle of minimum deviation, the angle of prism to the angle of incidence and refraction, we can proceed with Snell's law. Here the triangle indicates a prism and the surrounding is the air. Using Snell's law, we can get the relation between the angle of incidence, the angle of refraction, and the refractive indices of the medium where light enters, the prism, and where the light was initially traveling, air. Here we will split sine of A in such a way that we get sine of A by 2 in the following term. Since both cosine function gives the same result, we can say A by 2 is equal to 30 degrees. By taking the 2 over to the right-hand side, the final answer is 60 degrees.